Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share 35 most important questions of William Wordsworth's poem The World is Too Much With Us. So let's begin this video and see question number 1. Name the poet of the poem. It's quite simple, William Wordsworth. What is the type of the poem? Friend, this is an Italian sonnet. How many lines are there in this poem? Italian sonnet contains 14 lines. So there are 14 lines in the poem. What sort of meter does the poet employ in this poem? This poem is written in iambic pentameter. When was it composed? It was composed in 1802. When was it first published? It was first published in 1807. What was the name of the collection the poem get published? The poem get published in Poems. This Poems is the name of his collection and it was published in 2 volumes. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem? It's AB, BA, AB, BA, CD, CD, CD. Friends, as you know that an Italian sonnet is divided into 2 parts, octave and sestet. The first 8 lines are called octave and the last 6 lines are called sestet. What does the poet criticize in the poem? The world of the first industrial revolution. The poet criticizes it because poet think that people are becoming more materialistic and they are not paying attention towards nature. They are ignoring nature. The poet writes in one of the line of the poem, we are out of tune. Who wished to remain a pagan in the poem? Poet himself wished to remain a pagan in this poem. Most people have taken for granted and given away. What is the meaning? What is missing in the following line? Our hearts. When does the poem take place? During the first industrial revolution. Who are the gods from Greek mythology are referenced in the poem? Proteus and Triton. I standing on this pleasantly I stand for. Here I stand for the poet. What is described as bearing her bosom to the moon in the poem? The sea. Why is the poet dissatisfied with the way that human beings have been living their lives? He feels that people are not living their lives according to the ways of nature and is disappointed by their lack of motivation to do so. What is the theme of the poem? Giving up nature for materialistic things and illusion versus reality. This is the theme of the poem. What is the central purpose of this poem? To link the relationship that nature has with the eventual degradation of humankind. In which line does the poet suggest that we are concerned with materials? Getting and spending, we lay waste our powers. What is the quality of Proteus? He could change the shape at will and possess the complete knowledge of past, present and future. Describe the physical appearance of Triton. He had the body of a man and the tail of a fish. He used a conch as a trumpet. We have given our hearts away, a sordid boon. Find out the figure of speech. Oxymoron. And are gathered now like sleeping flowers. This line is from the poem The World is Too Much With Us. Find out the figure of speech in the phrase sleeping flowers. Personification. Great God, I would rather be a pagan suckled in a creed outworn. It's an example of enjambment. Which line of the poem are an example of allusion? I have sight of Proteus rising from the sea, or hear old Triton blow his raised horn. Circle in a creed outworn, name the figure of speech. Metaphor. Oh, hear old Triton blow his raised horn is an example of assonance. Proteus rising from the sea, name the rhetoric device. Imagery. We have given our hearts away, find out the figure of speech. Alliteration. The sea that bears her bosom to the moon, find out the figure of speech. Personification. Little we see in nature that is ours. This line is from The world is too much with us. We lay waste our powers, name the figure of speech. Alliteration. For this, for everything, we are out of tune. Which figure of speech has been used in the above line by the poet? Consonance.